So today's tutorial is on how you can use the Nmap for port scanning. So let's just start the tutorial. Here you can download the Nmap by using these commands, by using the Google. Sorry, not the commands. By using Google, just open up Google and type Nmap download. And here the first link, Nmap free scanner, free security scanner. Here you can find the Microsoft Windows binaries, the Linux binaries, and the Mac OS X binaries. You actually don't need the Linux binaries because you use Kali Linux and Parrot OS for, mostly we use Parrot OS and Kali Linux for security testing, so you just can omit that for Linux. And for Windows you can download it and just you can find an website. Like I can try this on the testing website that is made for testing, that is hack this site, this one. So you can we can use this for tutorial purposes. So just open this site, see, you can see the site. Okay, so now just copy the URL, copy it and refresh and open a PowerShell or a command prompt. I actually prefer PowerShell. It is more stable and easier to use, and it is more compact and comfortable for me to work on. So just go to the directory where your Nmap is installed. My Nmap is installed in the desktop directory, as you can see it here. See the Nmap folder here, this one, the Nmap. So just come to the PowerShell now and then cd. My version is 7.80, but the latest release version is 7.91. Okay, so here we can find that it does not exist. What? And maybe a little mistake. Wait a minute. Oh, the name mistake. Sorry. Nmap 7.80. Yeah, we have got it. So now CLS, and then which will list it, the listing, what is present inside it. You can see the nmap.exe file here. Okay, so now just open a command prompt. Firstly, just type nmap.exe, then press enter. You can sorry, again I made a mistake. First press CLS, then nmap.exe. You can found because sessions that were command was not found because it was current location. Windows PowerShell load commands. Oh, actually Windows PowerShell doesn't support those commands. So okay, no problem, not a problem. I will show it in command prompt. So just leave it for CLS and list, see your IP. Okay, your IP is 192.168.0.114. So then press CLS, then ping. You have copied the site, so just right click the hack this site and then press enter. You guys could not find that this time. Then you can use traceRT. Then just the link, press the link, unable to resolve. Okay, I got it. My mistake. Actually HTTPS doesn't support in tracer, so it is tracing the route to the website. As you can see, we have got the IP address of the website, right? So just copy this IP address. So just copy this IP address and we can exit by Control C. And now we shall scan for the, so open a scan for the ports, opened or closed. So just go to the directory like cd desktop, then cd nmap 7.0, Then list the files that are present in the folder. See, you can here see the nmap.exe file. That simply just nmap.exe, type it, and you will see the whole of the commands that are used for port scanning. Okay, you can see here the sv command, the probe, open pause, determination, everything. Okay, so I'm showing you a basic port scan so that you can understand how it works. See, the examples are also listed here. Okay, the examples are also listed here, not an issue. So we can just open it up and see nmap dot exe, then sv, then pn, no, then a, then sv is for service detection, a is for about the operating system or anything like that, and then minus p, small p, then the ip address of the system. Okay, the ip address of the website is this. So then we shall start presenter. So here you can see that your port specifications are illegal. Why? Oh, okay. There a mistake. That is my mistake, and I have forgotten to specify the ports. So just specify the ports here, like this, 1, 2. If you just however you want to scan the ports, I seem to scan the ports like 1 to 9,000. So press enter, and you can see that it has been starting nmap here, starting nmap. So stats has been given that hosts completed 0 up 1 undergoing ping scan, ping's timing about 100% done, time is remaining. Okay, so then press enter. 27% is done. Stealth scan, S1 stealth scan is operating now. 47% done. You can see the results by just pressing enter, simple like that. 59% done. Just hold on a minute, it takes time to scan and ping the server so that you can get all the information that you want to gather. 96% done. It is easy. See, the every system has almost 65,000 ports, so it takes time to scan all the ports and all the services that are ongoing. So it will show the results in some time. Service scan timing about 0.0% done. The service scan is ongoing. 66% done. 100% done. Then the trace route timing, 32% done. 94% done. NES timing, NSC timing, 96% done. So hold on a minute, it will take some time. Be patient, because hackers have to be patient. So let's discuss about something else now. Say this is my puppy, the cute one puppy. She is a female and her name is Snoop. You love hacking too? Snoop, you love hacking too? Give me a kiss. Okay, good. She also loves hacking. She is actually sleeping, so better let her sleep. I have one more puppy. Pebbles, come here. Come here, Pebbles. Yeah, come. See, say hi. Hi, guys. He also loves hacking. His name is Pebbles, and he is also sleeping. See, our ports are being detected. Okay, sleep in my lap. Sleep in my lap. Okay, sleep in my lap. So let's continue with the tutorial. As you can see that the service detection has been done. See, the port 22 TCP closed, SSH service is running, and 53 TCP open domain. It is open port 53 TCP, and no OS machines matches for host. No OS has been detected, and as you can see that trace route result is this. So this is how Nmap works. So it is how simple it is this simple as that. You can use Nmap in Kali Linux too. It comes pre-installed in it, and in Windows you can use it like this. So just command pass the command cls, then exit. You will exit the command prompt. PowerShell also same, exit the PowerShell. And this is all about today's tutorial. Not a big tutorial, only simply it's done. So thanks for watching, and hope you guys like the video. Hope this tutorial helps you. And one more thing, that don't just misuse the tutorial, because it is only for legal purposes. Use it only for legal purposes, because if it is illegal, I or Facebook won't be responsible for anything. Please use it for legal purposes, and this video is strongly about educational purposes only. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, and follow my page. This is my page I am showing you. Yeah, this is my page. Just hold on a second. Introduction Redefined. This is my page. Please like, share, and follow, and stay tuned so that you can get updated about every video I post here. I post cybersecurity, as you can see, computer and internet based website. So see you soon. Bye for now. God bless you. Bye.